Now, in this lecture, we'll be learning what are the three different versions of ChatGPT. So there are three versions as of now: 3.5, 4, and 4.0. 4 is completely paid, and it has a lot of features we'll be discussing in this. 4.0 is free, but it has limited number of prompts, and ChatGPT 3.5, it is completely free and with unlimited number of prompts. So let us discuss for ChatGPT 3.5 the model size and parameters. So as I told you earlier, ChatGPT 3.5 has approximately 175 billion parameters, making it one of the largest language models available at the time of its release. Model size. The sheer size of the model enables it to capture a vast amount of linguistic knowledge and context, allowing for more coherent and contextually relevant responses. So, when you prompt ChatGPT 3.5, it has 175 billion parameters, as I told you in the last lecture, how ChatGPT generates a response. What it does is it does tokenization, tokens are made, and then embeddings are done. Then through a vector 3D models, it reaches to its parameters, all the information is gathered. Then when the response is generated, then the last step, the post processing step, is detoxification and checking all the ethical issues. So all the unethical part is removed from the response and an appropriate response is provided to you. So now let us talk about the performance and versatility of ChatGPT 3.5. So ChatGPT 3.5 demonstrated superior performance compared to earlier versions. ChatGPT 2 and 3 were also there, but now they are not there. We have access to 3.5. Versatility. It can handle various tasks, various natural language processing tasks, NLP, including text completion, summarization, translation, question answering with high accuracy. So it can make mistakes sometimes, as there are a lot of parameters. It is possible that some tokens may sometimes reach to a wrong parameter. So it is possible mistakes can happen. Even if you see like ChatGPT, at ChatGPT, here you can see it is written ChatGPT can make mistakes, check important info. So don't completely rely on factual or very important information, or you can't take prescription from ChatGPT. You need to go to a doctor. So now talking about contextual understanding, enhanced contextual understanding. The model exhibits a better understanding of context, allowing it to generate responses that are more relevant and coherent, even in complex conversational settings. So it understands everything and it gives a appropriate response. Safety and ethical considerations. So the risk of generating harmful of or inappropriate content. These measures include filtering and detoxification techniques to ensure responsible AI usage, so that people don't leverage AI and a crime is being committed using ChatGPT. So it is made sure that ChatGPT will not be present in any of the unethical practices. Now let's come to ChatGPT 4. So ChatGPT 4 uh, increases the number of parameters, potentially exceeding 175 billion parameters that is available in the free model. And in this, you have to give approximately $20 per month. It's a subscription based. So the larger model size enhances its capacity to capture nuanced language patterns and improve performance across various language tasks. The performance and the accuracy is higher than ChatGPT 3.5. That's why it's paid. If they charge you for something, definitely they'll give you more service. And it can handle more complex tasks and with greater precision. If you ask something very minute details, it can get you that. Now, contextual adaptability. ChatGPT 4 demonstrates enhanced adaptability to different contexts and conversational styles, leading to more nuanced and contextually appropriate responses. Now, there are some fine tuning capabilities. As I told you, the ChatGPT is trained in two ways. First, pre-tuning is done, in which the broad the tuning is done broadly. If, like, I give you an example, give me symptoms of cough and cold. So when it will tokenize, give me symptoms of, it will think of some or the diseases. Then if I ask about cold and cough, then it will narrow down. So narrow downing all the is known as fine tuning capabilities. Fine tuning efficiency. ChatGPT 4 offers improved fine tuning capabilities, allowing for more efficient adaptation to specific task or domain. This enables users to tailor the model to their specific needs more effectively. So this is the ChatGPT 4. And now coming to ChatGPT 4o optimized efficiency and resource optimization. So it is for efficiency and aiming to deliver comparable or improved performance while utilizing fewer computational resources. It it doesn't utilize more computational resources, but it is better than 3.5. The major upgrade in ChatGPT 4o is that it has a faster interface and making it more practical for real time application. I can give you a like quick example right now. uh, if you ask, let's say, let's ask ChatGPT how how Dow Jones is gonna open up on Monday. So basically, Dow Jones prediction for 27th May, Monday. So it is telling me that what will be looking further into market, there isn't a significant upward or downward pressure. So it may stay, the market may stay sideways. So it is a real time data. So pre-market trading data, slight positive movement up by 0.02%. This suggests a calm start for the index, reflecting to a neutral, slightly optimistic sentiment among traders. So you can see it does not, um, like unlike ChatGPT 3.5, it used to say that it can't give real-time analysis. But ChatGPT 4o, the major upgrade of this ChatGPT 4o is that you can, like ask for the stock market how is it going to perform. So it told us it's neither gonna be like too bullish or neither gonna be too bearish. So this is how it works, and I just gave you a small example. Now coming to ChatGPT 4.0, reduced environmental impact, energy efficiency. I told you earlier the ChatGPT 4.0 uses less computational resources, so environmental footprint associated with AI model interface contributing to sustainability efforts. Lower cost, and since the computational cost is low, so it operates at a lower cost, making it more accessible for organization with budget constraints. And some are trade-offs and performance, balancing efficiency and performance. While ChatGPT 4o prioritizes efficiency, there may be slight trade-offs in terms of absolute performance compared to the full-scale ChatGPT 4 model. However, these trade-offs are carefully balanced to ensure that the optimized model maintains high-quality outputs. So output should be great. It may be comparable to ChatGPT 4, but not exactly ChatGPT 4. Now coming to practical applications, real-world deployments, ChatGPT 4 is well suited for deployment in real-world applications where efficiency, speed, and cost effectiveness are paramount, such as customer service chatbots, virtual assistant, and text-based recommendation systems. These all, help you can do with the help of ChatGPT 4o. So, if we want a summary of this, so ChatGPT 3.5 represents a significant advancement in performance and versatility compared to earlier versions, with improved contextual understanding and safety measures, right? And ChatGPT 4 builds upon the strength of ChatGPT 3.5, offering larger model sizes and enhanced performance and adaptability to complex tasks and context. Now coming to ChatGPT 4o, that is optimized. It focuses on efficiency and resource optimization. ChatGPT 4 is the best, but it has a lot of computational cost. So in 4o, O means optimized here. So the computational overhead is reduced and environmental impact is also low, so making the model more sustainable. So this was it. We have learned all the theory of AI, what are the types of AI, how AI works, how ChatGPT generates response, narrow AI versus general AI, NLP, LLMs, and everything about, not everything, but a lot about AI. Just to make sure, while we learn prompt engineering, it will be good for us that we know the basics and the structure of AI. Now we'll begin the main part of the course, that is prompt engineering. So the course is designed such that even if a student takes up this course, so I'll tell how the student can maximize the use of chat gpt, how to learn anything fast, how to prepare for his or her exams. If you are a working professional, how you can leverage AI at work without getting caught, or maybe about your health, about your personal development, about productivity, and every section of the society will be covered. So I don't know who you are, so I have made this course for all, and some or the other you could use the knowledge. So in this, we have completed this section. Now we'll move to next section, that is water prompts. So till then, bye bye and take care.